Hello guys, welcome to my channel The Obscure Way. Today in my video we are going to know about the top 10 unanswered science questions. Number 10. What is the universe made up of? It is an embarrassing fact that our scientists do not know what 95% of our universe is made up of. Everything that we see around us is made up of atoms and barely accounts for 5% of the universe. In last 80 years, the scientists have barely able to conclude that the remainder comprises of some dark matter and dark energy. Number 9. How did life begin? Biology says billions of years ago, some simple chemicals got together and made the first molecule to replicate itself. No one has an answer for it. We humans are somehow linked by evolution to those early biological molecules. There are many theories out there, but practically no answers. But the question still remains at large that how did those basic chemicals present on the early Earth? Number 8. Are we alone in the universe? Astronomers have been working out hard to find the answers by hunting places in the universe where there are traces of water. Astronomers hope that they may find an instance where water might have given rise to life. The next few decades are anticipated to be an exciting time to be an alien hunter with up to 60 billion planets in our Milky Way. Number 7. What is consciousness? Scientists do not know whether it has to do with the different regions in the brain networked together or a single part of the brain. Science communities think that if they can figure this out, it will help them understand how consciousness emerged. Number 6. Why do we dream? We spend 1/3 of our life dreaming or say while sleeping. Though we spend so much time sleeping, our scientist community hardly knows anything substantially about it. Scientists are still looking out for explanation for why do we sleep and dream. Number 5. Are there other universes? By changing some of the setting only slightly, the life on Earth could become impossible. Given a fact there are 60 billion planets out there, and each would be existing in its own unique setting. This idea sounds crazy, but cosmology and quantum physics have the evidence that points in that direction. Number 4. Where do we put all the carbons? For past many hundred years, we have been filling the atmosphere with carbon dioxide by burning the fossil fuels. Now we got to put all the carbon back, or else we risk the consequences of a warming climate, but no one knows how. Number 3. What's so weird about prime numbers? These are the digits that can only be divided by themselves or 1. It is the fact of prime numbers that makes it useful in securing internet and thereby helps you transact online securely. They are the heartbeat of internet electronic commerce. The prime numbers are used to construct keys capable of locking your sensitive information from hackers. Number 2. What's at the bottom of the ocean? 95% of our oceans remain unexplored and no one knows what lies there. Don Valls and Jacques Piccard went 7 miles down in the year 1960, the deepest part of the ocean, to find the answer. Now most of the time, The explorers send unmanned vehicles with cameras. Number 1. What's at the bottom of the black hole? At the first of all top unanswered science questions, we have the something related black hole. Einstein's theory on general relativity says that when black hole is created by a dying and collapsing star, it continues to shrink into itself till it forms an infinite small, infinite dense point referred to as singularity. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly like, share, comment and subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.